heads. Don't stay in bed. There's a lot to do and see. Just come along with me. You know it's true.
With those born in the year of the monkey, you are said to be in conflict with the Grand Duke Taisui. Luck-wise, not too good. Be cautious in whatever you do. There can be some turbulence. Careful planning is necessary to ease the bumpy road ahead. However, lucky stars will help you pull through all difficulties at work. Curb unnecessary spending and do not dabble in speculations and gambling. Learn to manage your finances properly. Do watch your diet and exercise regularly. Have proper meals and visit a doctor if need be. Be cautious on the road. Negative star may bring injuries. Avoid dangerous activities like bungee jumping, rock climbing, deep sea sports, etc. Visit the dentist and have your teeth cleaned. Do a medical checkup. In relationships, stay away from gossips and scandals. Control your emotions. Do not let it upset your relationships. Be sensible and stay cool to avoid unnecessary relationship breakups.